right, here we are. We're at Sutton Park in Norman, and it is super windy today. But right here on this back trail, I got some wind blockage from all the trees, as you can see behind me. So you know, a little bit of wind blockage. That's why I came here, and it's close to the gym, and I really didn't feel like, you know, driving 30 minutes somewhere, 30 minutes back, that type of thing. So maybe I'll explore tomorrow or the next day. But today I'm here at Sutton Park. I'm gonna do a lap. Actually, I'm gonna run to the dam and then just keep going until I hit a mile, and then run back the same path until I get to the parking lot. So, you know, 2 miles today. Yesterday I was sluggish on that second mile, so I'm curious to see. There's a runner snuck up on me there. Oh geez. Anyway, I guess I better get to it. We'll see you guys after the run. All right, here we are, 2 miles. 2 miles complete around Sutton Lake here at Sutton Park, and beautiful, gorgeous day. I actually wore sleeves because it was windy. I thought it might be like cool, but I probably could have got away with just wearing a t-shirt. I don't know. Anyway, it was a beautiful run. I did have stronger legs than yesterday, so you know, it's just a crapshoot depending on which day it is, how strong your legs are going to be. So I had stronger legs today, so I ran a little bit faster today. And you know, now I'm gonna go to the gym and, you know, get another 2 a day. And there's the wind. Good luck on your day, whatever's out there. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's a good day.